Up. Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I've got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking out, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Parade won't fade away. Your halo, your halo, your halo. And I can see your halo. It hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want, and I'm addicted to your light. I swore I'd never fall again, but this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can't forget, so pull me back to the ground again. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking out, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. 'Cause I can see your halo. Your halo. Your halo. Your halo. Your halo. Your halo. 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 I can see your halo. Your halo. Your halo. Your halo. Your halo. And I can see your halo. Cause everywhere I'm looking out, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. Parade won't fade away.
Woo! You've got lots of clapping. Kyra, that was amazing. And I agree with everyone in the audience who has said your voice is better than Beyonce's.
I don't think so. Thank you so much, guys.
And also we've had comments like, I think you're going to be my favorite singer. So yes, absolutely amazing. And guys, when we see Kyra on TV and winning all her awards, which I'm sure will be very soon, and performing in front of millions of people, you can say she taught me a singing class.
Aww.
So thank you so much, Kyra, for coming to take the time. Before we wrap up, just really quickly, if we can get like 10-second answers. One of the questions were, do you have any tips for combating stage fright?
Stage fright is something you just kind of got to push yourself to do. You can only get over it by doing it. So I like to take lots of deep breaths. Actually, the diaphragm exercise I did with you guys, I'll breathe really deeply just at the side of stage and breathe out slowly. And I'll just tell myself in my mind,
I can do this, I can do this. And that's how over the years I've managed to combat stage fright and just try and keep myself level before performing.
Amazing, thank you. And another question was, when did you start singing?
To be honest, I've always sang, so pretty much about your age, and I just got involved with everything I could. And I know things are difficult right now with schools not being how they are, but as many things as you can get involved with, whether it's Zoom choirs or things on YouTube, I literally just taught myself how to sing. I've never actually been professionally trained, and honestly, that is how I got into singing. I just loved it, and any chance I got to perform or be in a school play or a musical, I just jumped at it.
Amazing. And also, I just wanted to go back to the comment about you being better than Beyoncé. I think you've got a beautiful, beautiful voice, and so is Beyoncé. So I think there's just something around celebrating that all voices and everyone who practices, we're different voices, but they're all beautiful in their own way. So
absolutely, I agree with that, Grace, and it's a lovely compliment. But I think the best thing about singing is not really about being technically trained. It's about finding your voice and putting your personality onto a song. So practicing a cover of someone's song and making it your own is probably one of the best ways that you could develop yourself as a singer, to try and find your own stamp.
that sounds like really amazing advice. Kyra, thank you so much for joining us. Can everyone, I don't know whether you can change to gallery screen so you can see everyone on the stage, but I can see all of you right now. Can we just give each other a clap to one another, and a clap for ourselves, and a clap for Kyra? And more clapping for ourselves for showing up. You are brilliant. I want you to know how absolutely brilliant you are. And just always tell yourself that, because you are. You're amazing. Yeah?
Honestly, I've been so blown away by all of you today. Thank you so much. You've been wonderful. And hopefully it's not the last time we do this.
No, it's not. And tomorrow we've got Afrobeats dance with Charlene, and we've got Afrobeats dance on Friday as well. So I hope we can see more of you back for that. That's going to be really fun. And please look out for my emails. That's a message to your grown-ups. I'm sending you emails so you get all our information and you can find out what's happening next. All right, everybody, have an amazing afternoon. Should we see some big waves? Some big waves.
Hi guys, thank you so much. Well done.
Bye. Have a great afternoon. Bye.